This is meteorologist Audra Henneke with the National Weather Service in Topeka with a weather briefing recorded at 6 a.m. on Monday, February 18th. The focus of this briefing is on the major winter storm that is going to be impacting the central U.S. during the middle to latter part of this week. Now, there's still some uncertainty with regards to the exact tracking of this system and just the wide range of precipitation types that we could be experiencing across the forecast area. But we're going to at least provide you with what we're expecting at this current time, and we'll make sure to keep you up to date with the latest information in the upcoming days. So let's go ahead and dive into some of the details here. Main key points that we can be expecting with this system with regards to the time frame. Best potential for precipitation is looking to be from Wednesday evening through the day on Thursday. Now, some precipitation may move in as early as during the afternoon hours on Wednesday across central Kansas, but again, the bulk time frame looks to be during the Wednesday evening through Thursday time frame, and then exiting from west to east across the forecast area during the evening hours on Thursday. With this system, we could be seeing areas of moderate to heavy snow across portions of northern Kansas with this system, and then further south, generally south of I-70, we could be seeing a combination of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. So quite a wintry mess of precipitation with this system. So let's try and break it down here the best we can. With the latest information that we have, here's how things are starting to break down. During the Wednesday night through early Thursday morning time frame, generally north of I-70, this is where we have the greatest potential of seeing that moderate to heavy snow during this overnight time frame. And can't rule out that we could also see some periods of some sleet mixing into that snow as well. Now, south of I-70, this is where we could be seeing some accumulating snowfall as well, but could be seeing it mixed in with some sleet and freezing rain, especially as we start nearing the Thursday morning time frame. And then as we head into the daytime hours on Thursday, we can be seeing definitely a wide range of transition with regards to the precipitation types across the forecast area. Generally north of I-70, we'll still see that accumulating snowfall during the morning hours mixing in with some sleet, and then transitioning more to a rain-snow mix during the afternoon hours. And further south across the forecast area, seeing that wintry mix during the morning hours of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and then transitioning also to a rain-snow mix during the afternoon hours, but some areas could be seen entirely rain by the afternoon, depending upon just how much warm air works its way into the region. And then as we head into the Thursday night time frame, precipitation will definitely be working its way east of the area, so any light precipitation that is continuing to linger across the area looks to be in the form of some either light snow or some freezing drizzle before finally pushing out of the area by Friday morning. Now, the impacts that we can be expecting with this system, again, several inches of snowfall certainly are likely, generally along and north of I-70, and this certainly is going to result in some hazardous driving conditions during the Wednesday night through Thursday night time frame. Also, we could be seeing some sustained winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts, and this could lead to some periods of blowing snow and reduced visibilities. And also, with the wintry mix that we're expecting across the southern portions of the forecast area, we could be seeing some slick road conditions, especially if we're getting periods of freezing rain across that area. So definitely some treacherous travel conditions during this time frame. So here's a graphic at least roughly depicting what we're expecting at this time. Again, these boundaries can certainly change in the upcoming days, but right now, best area for that moderate to heavy snow looks to be generally along and north of I-70. Cannot rule out with regards to accumulations upwards of 6 if not more inches that we could be accumulating across that area. And then generally south of I-70, we can see accumulating snowfall, generally 1 to maybe 4 inches, again rough estimates at this time, but also mixed in with sleet and freezing rain. And so just dependent upon how much sleet or freezing rain mixes into this system will certainly impact what sort of snowfall accumulations we can expect across that region. And across the southern extent of the forecast area and more across southeastern Kansas, that's where they're going to be seeing the greatest potential for moderate to heavy rainfall. Now, for the latest information with this winter system, you can check out our winter weather briefing page. You can find the link to that page here highlighted in yellow, and that'll provide you with the latest information on this winter weather system. You can also find us on both Facebook and Twitter, in which we'll be continuing to post updates with regards to the forecast on both of these social media sites. This concludes the briefing. Again, make sure to stay tuned to us here at the National Weather Service for the latest updates on this winter storm. Still a couple days out, and a lot can still change, again, with the exact tracking of this system. But you can find the latest details of our forecast at our website, weather.gov/TOP.